Damn. That was pretty steep. That was UCSC steep. Very short though. Here we are, Angwin, California, close to Napa and St. Helena wine country.
No, you want to go first?
No, I'll follow you. It's my first time hitting it. You don't need a lot of speed, Danny. Teepee. Pop it up. Oh, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Holy crap, what happened? There you go. Woo! You can go slower than that. Pop it up, Danny. Nice. Just like that. Just like that, man. Nice. Woo! Hold up, hold up. There you go. Perfect. Just like that, man. There you go. Pop it up. There you go. Nice, man. You got it, man. There you go. There, nice, man. Oh boy. So hold up. It's slippery, dude. It's slippery. You alright? Yeah, it looks loose. He's just sliding the whole time.
Yep.
Woo!
As soon as you get to the turn.
I gotta watch out for my ankle. Anyone take it? I probably shouldn't look if I want to do it. What are you doing?
Just looking down how hard it looks, man.
Stop looking at it. You don't want too much speed going over. You don't want your rear wheel popping up. Dude, we've done like this in LA, remember?
Don't make me nervous.
You're good, you're good. Drop it in.
Oh, here it comes.
Phew!
Good shit.
It's not bad, Eddie. You! Yeah, baby.
Oh, shit.
Phew. Wow. Not too bad, huh?
Not bad.
Anyone else? You're good. There you go. Nice. There's another rock roll. It's not as bad coming up. Yeah. Soon. I think so. Oh shit! I was like, I backed out last minute, dude. I know. sketch. Woo, foot just came off. Gee whiz.
Fucking loose the goose, man.
My goodness gracious. Dude, I couldn't figure out the line over the rock until it was like last minute.
When half shows, it looks retarded. Eddie's glass is about to fall.
Your glasses, Eddie?
Eddie.
He's fine. Blue Post Trail. Woo! Oh shit. Loose and dusty. Look at this thing. I can't see. Holy smokes. Tight trees. Off camber. Pedal strike. Hella dusty. My goodness. Guys in front are racing. Woo! Ouch! Hit my knuckle on that one. That hurt. Woo, man. Headhunter. That was so bad. All right, now what? Oh, he's supposed to go over this. Good. Go over, go over.
Over this?
Yeah. I didn't know that. The walk of shame. My ankle, shoulder. So I gotta chill. Woo! I got lost before that rock.
What the hell are we doing?
Who's first?
You go.
Yeah, yeah, boy. Sorry, Eddie. My bad, dude. I didn't know this was coming. Go for it. Woo! Sorry for the pile up. You all right, dude?
You good?
Sorry, broski.
That was a close one.
You didn't tell us about the tree, man.
It sketched me out, man. I was like, what? Wait, what's coming up? There's a dust in front of me. I'm like, what's coming? And then all of a sudden that popped up. I was like, oh, whoa.
It was loose.
Oh, it's hecka loose, dude.
Yeah. I don't think there's anything else after this.
Yeah, that's what he said earlier.
Yeah.
gonna have to edit some of that out. What? Nice.
Oh shit.
What, you gonna roll it?
Hell no. You jump it, man. You gotta roll it.
It's rollable.
Like our parachute.